If you're thinking about buying landing page software, there are some things you need to know before making your decision. Let's break it down. First off, while many landing page tools promise quick and easy setup, some are just too basic or lack the customizability you may need for more complex campaigns. Landing page software, compared to competitors like Leadpages or Unbounce, tries to simplify things, but it might not be the best choice if you're after detailed analytics or advanced A/B testing capabilities. Next thing to consider is the ease of use. While some tools come with drag and drop functionality, this software's interface can feel a bit clunky at times. If you're comparing it to something like Instapage, you might find that building pages takes more time to get used to. The third thing to note is the templates. Although it has a solid library, they aren't as modern or varied as what you get with tools like Wix or Squarespace, which offer sleek and dynamic templates. If you're looking for something that's both visually appealing and versatile, these other options might serve you better. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the speed and performance. Landing pages need to load quickly to avoid losing potential leads, and some software solutions out there are optimized for faster load times. This software, while reliable, can occasionally experience slower performance compared to higher tier options, especially if you have multiple elements on your page. Another thing you'll need to consider is integrations. This tool works with a variety of services, but when compared to competitors like ClickFunnels, it might feel limited in terms of the native integrations available. You may need to rely on third-party apps for more advanced integrations, which could increase complexity. The sixth thing is the pricing structure. It's priced competitively, but with plans that limit key features like A/B testing, analytics, and the number of landing pages, you might feel that you're paying more for less compared to competitors offering those features even in their basic plans. The seventh thing to know is customer support. While the team is helpful, it may not be as responsive as the customer service offered by other platforms like HubSpot. If you run into an issue or need quick troubleshooting, response times might not be as quick as you'd hope. Next thing is mobile optimization. This software does a decent job at offering mobile responsive pages, but if you need truly refined mobile layouts, platforms like Leadpages provide more specialized options. For a smoother mobile experience, you may want to explore other alternatives. The ninth thing to consider is the level of customization. If you're someone who likes to dive deep into coding, the software's customization options might feel restrictive compared to tools like Unbounce, which gives you much more control over your page's elements. Another thing to note is scalability. This software may work great for small to medium-sized businesses, but if you're looking to scale your operations and run high-volume campaigns, you might find its features and support less suited to your growing needs, especially when compared to something like WordPress or other enterprise-level tools. The 11th thing to think about is the community and resources. While this tool offers some tutorials, the community is smaller than what you'll find with competitors like Leadpages or even Shopify, where large, active forums and knowledge bases can help you troubleshoot and grow faster. Lastly, it's important to know that while this tool is a solid landing page builder for beginners and small businesses, it may not offer the level of sophistication needed for more seasoned marketers. Tools like ClickFunnels provide more advanced features, such as multi-step funnels and automated follow-ups, that you won't find here. So, is this software worth it? It's a good option for anyone starting out or looking for something basic. But if you want something that scales better and gives you more flexibility, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free. It could be exactly what you need to take your landing pages to the next level.